Hey guys, so today we're going to learn some mnemonics. These are associations that you use in order to memorize a word. And this might be a visual association or an auditory one. And the nice thing is when you learn more languages, you have more that you can draw from in order to build these associations. And also it's really something of practice. So at the beginning, it might seem a bit tricky to find an association that would help you learn that word. But with time, you get really good at seeing things and kind of like working on accents or different languages that you know that a word in that sounds like that thing that you're trying to learn. And also to just get used to how to practice these associations. So when you have one that you find fitting, how you can like say it out loud and act it out or visualize it, that it helps to sink in. So the first one is for the word pantle, which means outside. For this one, we're going to use not the sound of pantle, but how it looks. At least to an English speaker, you can imagine the word paddle. If you ignore the N, it looks a bit like paddle, right? So if you remember to keep the paddle outside the boat. So you have to visualize being in a boat and you don't want to put the paddle inside the boat. When you paddle, you want to keep it outside the boat. So pantle and paddle for outside. Then we have Pagati, which is inside. Now for Pagati, we just think of a bag of tea, Pagati, and we can ask the question, what's inside a bag of tea? So now literally visualize opening up the bag of tea and saying to yourself, Pagati, it's inside the bag of tea. So what's below the belt? Well, the pants, of course. Panzi. Panzi is below or underneath. And now I want you to picture yourself standing under a pear tree and you're looking at the nice big fat pears on top of the tree. So you're trying to pick one, but you just can't reach because the pears are all on top of the tree. Pezu, on top. And our last one, Pambi, which means in front of. And now I want you to picture Bambi standing in front of his mother. Pambi, in front.